So I still have to diagnose why when you go to hit the window here to make this one go down, the light on the door comes on. So, yeah. But as you can tell, this is an absolute mess. But we technically have 5 windows working as of this morning.
The whole door works over there
Yep.
too, besides the light.
Yep. So the goal is the sockets. I'll show you guys. Xander's getting everything bagged up and tagged, so we're safe and sound. I don't know if you can see, but on the side of these, on the back, it looks like it's a clamp that kind of does one of these numbers, and you just push it and pull it to lock it into place. And since these are older, I want to see if we can't get some and put new ones in each door. We know that that bulb works. We know that socket works. We can't get this one to work, but that one only works when you use the window motor. So I still got to diagnose the wiring on that one. Yay. But we've got a lot done this morning, and we'll have this door panel for the passenger side repaired. I was able to get some screws for it. I forgot I had them, so we'll get everything back on this way. We need to get 2 window switches for the back windows, because I want that to be a little safer, and we still got to order a master switch for the driver's side. So we've got a little bit ahead of us, you know, so we'll get as much repaired and working as we can, and I want to try and tackle that and see if I can't get that back together again properly. So, but we'll see. Time will tell. But we'll get there, guys. And on that note,